Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this incredible cordless vacuum. So let's open it up, put it together, and then see how it works. Okay, here's what you get in the box, all the parts, and they are super pretty. Okay, let's put this together. This is where you are going to charge your vacuum. So you are going to put the plug in the side, and then you would plug this into the wall. And then you will take the vacuum part and it snaps right in there. Okay, that is step one. You mount this to the wall. It also comes with these screws as well. And you can mount that to the wall. If you don't want to mount it to the wall, you can also just set this on the floor and let this charge as well. Step two, you are going to take the tube part. This stretches. So when you push this little button, it's telescoping, and you can make it longer or shorter to meet your needs or your height. All of this is so easy to put together. You look for the little red buttons, and this is going to snap right in here. When you want to take it off, you just push this button here and it unsnaps. Okay, then you choose your attachment. I always prefer your traditional vacuum attachment. I love this because it goes flat and you can get under all the furniture. You also have a crevice tool and a small brush, and this also pulls out and pushes back depending on your needs. This is so lightweight. I can't say enough great things about the weight of this. It's sturdy, but yet lightweight. You empty the dust from here, again, push of the button, and then you can empty this right into the garbage can. Such great design. Let's give it a try. Okay, here is the 600-watt cordless vacuum cleaner, up close and personal. It's so easy to maneuver because it's so lightweight, and that head just moves in all of the directions. I love the light. Seriously, one of my favorite things to do is vacuum at night because you can just see all of the dust, and it is so satisfying. This is great for both hardwood floors and carpets. It does a great job on pet hair. It's recommended for all floors. Again, it is battery powered, but you do charge it. It weighs 5 pounds, has 600 watts of motor power, great suctioning, and it is just so easy to use. This will run for up to 60 minutes, plenty of time to clean your whole house. You also have this HEPA filtration system and an easy to empty container. Make your life easy, make your life delightfully clean, and get this vacuum. You will not be disappointed. I highly recommend.